I completed in Japan 13,000 songs. 13,000 songs in Bengali. And my students here, they can edit, some singers can anytime can sing 300, 400 songs. And these 13,000 songs, I wrote the words and I composed, I set to music and I taught them. In America and various parts of the world, wherever you go, so they know 13,000 songs my students have learned from me. Some here, some in England, France and other places study. But did I ever dream of 13,000 songs? No, never. It's far beyond me. Only perhaps I have pleased God in His own way. So my desire was 200, but He says, you beggar, you should. So instead of 200, 13,000 songs. Yes, and so if it can please God in His own way, He remembers our desires more than we forget completely, because we know we have so many brothers, so many sisters all over the world. We have established our oneness, real oneness, inseparable oneness, then we must feel that we are complete. God the Creator, God the creation, we are God the creation. God the Creator has given us the capacity to be of service to humankind. So we live together with the same philosophy. Love God in God's own way. This is our simple philosophy. And then if you can please God, then you fulfill all our long forgotten desires, when even the desire only achieving. But again we know our only desire is to please God in His own way, not always that the inner voice will tell us what is good, what is wrong. Inner voice will never make any mistake. And the inner voice will tell us when you pray and meditate, when you pray like this, we go up. At that time we feel like this, God is listening to us, whatever we have said. But again we pray to God to make us mind pure, to give us a big heart and all this. Pray, this is our prayer, to fulfill Him. Then again we meditate like this. At that time we are talking to God, whatever we need from Him. Then when we meditate like this, we feel that God is talking to us, He is entering into us and He is saying, you can't do this, you should do this, you should. He advises us. When we pray, we talk to God. When we meditate, God talks to us how to become His good children. So we talk to God when we pray, when we meditate, He comes and talks to us what we should do and what we should not do. This is. Now, my students will sing in the song number 13,000, which I composed recently in Japan.
Shakpura, Shakpura, Purva, Shakpura, Gram. Shakpura, Shakpura, Purva, Shakpura, Gram. Amar Janma, Dam, Dam, Dam. Amar Janma, Dam, Dam, Dam. Chatrala, 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 Chatragram. Chatrala, 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 Chatragram. Prehanareshana, Nayana, Abiram. Prehanareshana, Nayana, Abiram. Amarata, Bangladesh, Bangladesh, Bangladesh. Amarata, Bangladesh, Bangladesh, Bangladesh. Snehe banya, Naijeshesh, Naijeshesh, Shesh. Snehe banya, Naijeshesh, Naijeshesh, Shesh. Tami, Bangladesh. Snehbanya, Naijishish, Naijishish, Shesh. Bharat Mata, Paye, Tami, Tami, Tami. Shakpura, Shakpura, Purva, Shakpura, Graham. Shakpura, Shakpura, Purva, Shakpura, Graham.
Person of the country.
Czech Republic.
England,
America,
Germany,
Austria,
Australia.
Moldova,
France,
Canada, Slovakia, Russia, Algeria,
Macedonia,
Hungary. Spain.
Serbia,
Iceland,
Cook Islands,
Greece, Nepal,
Scotland.
Brazil,
Mexico.
Kyrgyzstan,
South Africa.
This is our small country. There is a proof. I was born in East Bengal in a tiny village, smaller than the smallest village. And this is God's grace. One. This is our sweet family. We have a few more countries who have joined our way of life. We say there is only one religion, love of God. I was born as a Hindu, but I am not come here to proclaim Hinduism. My only religion is love of God. This is what I have been teaching my students. Love God. This is the only religion. So they come from various backgrounds, but we have only one way to arrive at God's door. It is by thinking, practicing, not only by practicing one thing, love of God. By virtue of our prayers and meditations, we try to please God in His own way. In our own ways, we have tried for centuries long. We have had many more incarnations. We try to fulfill our desire. There is this hunger we can never satisfy. The way of desire, it is endless, endless, endless. Again, the way of, we use the term aspiration. Only love God in His own way. Love, devotion, surrender. What we heard, let thy will be done. Ours is the same. We pray to God to fulfill Him in His own way, not our way. When He fulfills our desires from one house to two houses, then there comes a time. We're never fully satisfied. Then we suffer from the bite of egos and jealousy and all kinds of things. We think we are very great. Next moment, when you turn, somebody is greater. Then we say somebody is greatest, like this. So when you enter into the world of competition, we suffer. But when we enter into the world of oneness, we do not suffer. When I was in the sports world, my hero was Jesuans. I was in India, and Jesuans, immortal Jesuans here. Then when I came to America, I found one person to be my real hero. It was President Gorbachev. How many good things he has done in his life. So I became, out of his infinite kindness, he made me his friend. He wrote me a blessingful letter with regard to my 13,000 songs. And I have received from him over the years 100 letters. 100 letters from President Gorbachev. And 22 interviews. Half an hour, 45 minutes, an hour, and 2 times interviews. Plus messages, verbal messages, over 200. This is President Gorbachev. So kind to me, over 100 letters I have received from him, 22 interviews and all. So kind, so compassionate. Here, when he is with me, no politics. We go far beyond the domain of politics. We speak, we meditate, we speak only how we can change, how we can, by virtue of goodwill, peace and prayers and meditation, how we can raise the standard of humanity. Politicians I like because they have a heart, like no human being can be without heart. But politicians, when they attend to politics, we find it difficult to appreciate them. But we are all God's children. God has made them politicians. Since they are God's children, there is heart inside each other. So we said that. So here he never discussed with me politics, not even once. Only how we can be service, how we can serve the world with our goodwill. Good wishes, goodwill. So that is why it is possible for me to have with him, from him 100 letters, 22 interviews and all. No politics, only goodwill, how we can raise the standard of mankind. This is. Now I'm ending with a funny story. You have so kindly blessed our museum. Once we held an exhibit in Manhattan. Gorbachev's wife came to inaugurate it. Gorbachev's wife met her. Only tears and tears in her eyes whenever she. About 10 years ago, on the 13th of April, when I came to America, 1964, she and her husband phoned me up. Husband cannot speak English, so there is an interpreter, and then she could speak English well. She said to me, Shri Чинмоя, not every day, not every hour, not every minute, but every second, I send you my love and gratitude. And we have taped, he spoke to us. So anyway, she came. We wanted to give her a present, one of the paintings. She chose the number 100,000, the one that is 100,000 number, she chose it. And it was in quite a few magazines. We saw the painting. And forgive me last, bird, I have done over 15 million birds. 15 million, nearing now 16 million birds running over there. Each bird signifies freedom. Each bird has inspired me so much. So about this funny incident, President Premodasa, the president of Sri Lanka, we became true brothers instead of friends. We were very fond of each other. So he had a museum. He invited me to come. And at the door, the reception, there, what do you call, comments or something, book to sign the opinion. And so he stopped me. He did not allow me to go inside. He says, say something nice. I said, I'm not inside the, I'm not seen anything. I said, no, say something nice first. Then he allowed me to enter into his museum, Shucharu, this kind of thing. Before, I could not enter into the museum. He made me write something nice about the museum. So all from my imagination I said, then he's so kind to me. This is President Pramodasip. Cordial wishes for your 75th birthday jubilee. Over these years you have done and continue to do a great deal to preserve peace on earth for people in most remote corners of our planet. You have trained many disciples who come to the help of all those who need it. I am confident that today, on this important day of your jubilee, you will receive a lot of birthday greetings from your numerous friends from around the globe. I join in advance in all those warm words and good wishes that you will hear today. From the bottom of my heart, I wish you good health, strength, so you can carry out all your plans. I also wish you a festive mood and all the best. Irina, his daughter, Christina, Shania and Natasha, the granddaughters. Irina, Shania and Nastya, join me. I embrace you. Signed, God bless you. Give me the last one. This is the last but 199 letter. This is the number 100. 100 letter. Dear Shri Чинмой, dear friend, thank you for the letter from Japan informing that you had just completed composing your 13,000 songs, the culmination of your 42-year work. Your creativity as well as your peacemaking activities have always impressed me very much. Your poems, paintings, musical compositions serve people independent of the social status, nationality and age. I like your songs very much. Of course, I was not able to become acquainted with all the 13,000 of the flower hearts, as you call them. But I am sure that in any way, in any of your 13,000 songs, it is impossible to find a single line which would not appeal to people for love, peace, friendship, and cooperation. I wish that you will continue to give joy to all of us with your creative achievements. I embrace you. Michael Gorbachev. I must not intrude upon your time anymore. 15 minutes you say, then your impossible brother has taken more than 2 hours.